Another day, another blessing from the land.
These mangoes are perfect this year.
I'm helping the plants grow big and strong.
Just a little trim and you'll grow beautifully.
Fresh herbs for a delicious meal.
Here you go, chickens. Time to eat.
The corn is growing strong this year.
A healthy meal for a hardworking family.
So beautiful.
A little fixing up to keep everything safe.
Watering the rice for a bountiful harvest.
Careful now, little eggs.
Grow strong, little ones, grow strong.
Rau tươi hôm nay ngon nhất làng.
I'm helping to make sure we have good rice.
Waiting for a bite.
Each weave tells a story.
Look how high it goes.
Cutting the rice, harvesting the bounty.
Preparing the rice for a family feast.
Trying to capture the beauty of the farm.
This is how we grow rice, Hai. It's our lifeblood.
Wow, it looks hard.
The sun will dry these herbs perfectly.
You're so soft.
The water must flow freely to nourish the land.
Nature's healing power.
Here you go, big friend.
A sharp tool make light work.
Mending clothes for the family.
What's this? It's so tiny.
Bringing the harvest home.
Cook in the traditional way.
Looks like rain is coming.
Nourishing the plants with care.
Look at them jump.
Long ago, in this very land.
Tell me bà, ông bà.
Tell me more, ông bà.
Another day's harvest.
Another day done.
Good work, everyone.
The food is delicious.
I have today.